As voting for assembly elections began in India, an intense heat wave swept across parts of the country. The extreme weather severely affected the electoral process, with at least 4 deaths reported in West Bengal. Earlier in April, Kerala also went to polls amid an unusually early and humid summer. These incidents point to a growing concern. Climate change is no longer just shaping weather patterns. It is beginning to disrupt democratic processes as well. A new global report released by the International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance, or IDEA, has found that extreme weather events have affected at least 94 elections across 52 countries in the last 2 decades. Before we get into the details, take a look at our April 2026 magazine issue highlighting fading winters in India. If you want in-depth coverage of this issue, please subscribe to our magazine. Also remember to follow us on YouTube for more such stories. The report by IDEA highlights how rising temperatures, floods, storms and wildfires are increasingly disrupting elections worldwide. It argues that elections must now be treated as critical infrastructure vulnerable to climate risks. In India, the changing weather pattern is becoming more visible. According to the Center for Science and Environment, extreme weather events were recorded on 314 out of 365 days in 2022. By 2025, that number had risen to 331 days, or over 99% of days, the highest in 4 years. This indicates that climate disruptions are becoming a daily reality across the country. These changing conditions are already affecting elections. In 2019, polling in Odisha was postponed due to Cyclone Fani. During the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, temperatures crossed 45 degrees Celsius in several regions. In Uttar Pradesh, at least 33 polling officials reportedly died from heat-related causes. Globally, the report found that in 2024 alone, 23 elections across 18 countries were affected by extreme weather events, including floods, tropical storms, heat waves, and wildfires. Floods and storms account for nearly 67% of all election disruptions recorded over the last 20 years. Heat waves account for 9%, while earthquakes and wildfires make up 7% each. The report notes that India's preparedness for such situations remains uneven. While the Election Commission of India has introduced measures like shaded waiting areas, drinking water and medical kits at polling stations, there is still no comprehensive national framework to deal with climate-linked election disruptions across all states. Experts warn that as climate change intensifies, election systems must adapt. The report recommends stronger coordination between election bodies, weather agencies, and disaster response systems, integrating elections into national climate adaptation and disaster management plans. With at least 31 countries scheduled to hold elections later this year, the warning is clear. Safeguarding democracy may now depend on how well countries prepare for extreme weather conditions. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment below.